Listen how this so.
Yeah.
How much family would have come together now and make your room for living in? All of them come together and make the grave for your bury.
Yeah.
Cause one spend them
Check your level.
Yeah.
From you see the face and you hear the voice, you know say I lost Jackson. Funny. Anyways, today we have a nice piece of lineup of funny videos from the funniest man right now in Jamaica. I mean I talk funny business, me I talk comedy business. The one Bawdacat. So me now hold it up. We are running it right now. But guess what? Just like a video from now. Yo, I don't know. When me lick my finger but it hurt me and frig. Lick as in somewhere. Me no lick my finger with my tongue.
You know hear the man say? From the year start, him no fuck nothing and last year worse. That how go beg him never get. Him never get. I ain't come a man boat see me no. Mucha you can't make gal out and you want your father money. And very much money your father have to pay gal and you fear fuck this. Him go up the evening and know if you go beg fuck. Go tell a gal about fan in there I'm a fear fuck with it. Gal left him work and no come back. Left him up then I fear beard and tidy his father. And I cook for him father and I do all that.
Good. That happened to Dirty Muta. Becky man them boot him up on his side. But go and go beg the helper. So loving. Brother, and I say work. The helper not name out your father. The helper actually working and getting paid. No, you have your clean shit. Moving forward.
Dear me ask by say if a man come in with gun and say hear me now boy. A bottom are your life. Him say them take bottom. What? He say but call blood clot you too. You know easy. You want dead to man. Now you mean them a go take bottom. Say him a give them. Cause of one life. Me tell him say one bottom me have. How me fi take you man? Blood clot mad brother, I mean no man. You have to kill me and take me dead body. The blood clot do you me tell them say me go to prison. No man can do with me. I'm sure about that.
You kill yourself.
Man I go hold me. Them have to kill me. No man can hold me brother. Batty man. The blood clot do you me find power to kill the whole of them. Them can't hold me. No brother. Them have to kill me. Them can't hold me down. Me I tell you that.
Yo, cat said. Them have to go hold him down and kill him. And dead body them a take. They nah get him bottom alive. You mad? Me with your cat. You remember the cartoon when you look up in if you're old enough? Thundercats. The powers of 10 tiger or something like that. And that more than thunder. You mad? Them friend way say you not give him bottom up. If they have gun ahead, he's suspicious. Moving forward.
We are watching the things for 20, 30 years and the year if you make 31, me cut off your head.
Right away.
Come here and look for you see yourself a long time and you can't see your blood clot cell. You understand me brother? Yeah man. So me no want a man feel say I just fool me too cool. Yeah, I'm not glad for dash you for one bad. Cause you will do 10 good to me and you don't do one bad. No, me forgive you. That I know nothing brother. You understand me? Me nah go dump you for that. And you know if you have a blood clot, do it. Remember me tell you man.
See, a lot of us, we make people F us over throughout the years. And we just make it go on. People take advantage of us throughout the years. Brother, a new age now. As they make one mistake, as they disrespect you, as they slip right now, make them slide go on. Yeah man, not keep up, not put up with nobody BS, you know, years upon years. Nah, F that. Them the days are gone. Anyways, moving forward.
If a girl not like you, nobody try nothing with your money.
Could have 1 million a bank and drive
1 million, you could have 100 blood clot million, it can't help you. It just not like you. And you buy all the bling in the world, get the girl and buy water boat for your blood clot self. So where that happen? Eh? You buy nice things for yourself and make the girl see you hot and know say why and can't get you all you want.
Man never know
so we take time loss off fire. But you spend the whole of the money.
at a young age, you know, my best friend at the time, I go in mother yard. And your mother say, like in her name, Jason, hear your father sang there. And the song that was playing was All the Money Gone in the Hairy Bank. That man, the father used to love woman, every little crutches in buy. Every little girl in give them money. Yeah, man. And the lady look at me and tell me, say, if me can't afford to lose it, don't spend it. Yeah, man. And me grew up with that from a little boy until now. If me can't afford to lose it, I can't afford to give it. Because the worst investment as a man that you can make is in the hairy bank. Because when you invest in that bank, all the money gone. There's no guarantee return. A matter of fact, there's no return. All the money gone in the hairy bank, that just dead. Anyways, moving forward.
Listen to this song.
Yeah.
How much family would have come together now and make your room for living in? All of them come together and make the grave for your bury.
Yeah.
Cause one spend them as
Check your level.
Yeah.
And play again.
Listen to this song.
Yeah.
How much family would have come together now and make your room for living in? All of them come together and make the grave for your bury.
Yeah.
cause one spend them as
Check your level.
Yeah.
A real meds, you know. You're alive and you suffer like dog. You ask for help. Even if you're at work. And sometimes you have life okay, but you just fall into some little difficulties. And you ask for help. You ain't getting it. What make you dead? You have first night, third night, candlelight, night, and set up, and food is there. You get the best casket, the best design, all them shit there. True. Yeah, we have a video where I must say, oh, burial and all them sitting there make people lazy, but still, you can't help your family when them alive. Not only when they're dead, you're gonna spend upon them. Moving forward.
John Cat and I try to save me.
If that John,
Yeah.
then I must try to save you. But when I go to come give you my life to save you. If me can't save you, I go try. Friend, forgive me for my life to save
So you
you.
couldn't give your life to save your friend?
How comes?
Eh?
How comes? Then what good that bring?
Your friend living?
No man. Then my friend what life worthwhile more than mine.
Well, you know,
No,
you're
just
the one that go
no,
eventually
no.
end up
Them
go to the
make
way.
blood clot, no. Me can't swim and you gone out in a deep water, gone swim. And out there, John. How me I go reach out there?
You gotta try with anything.
Try.
You gotta try go for it.
You must see blood clot, man. If when me can't find for reach to push to you can't reach, you just get fucked. That me I try to tell you. Me can't swim. So when me I go out there, go do not go down to brother. So tell me why sense me I go out there, go do. Go down myself. Me not going.
Cat, I really listen up. No BS with Bawdacat, man. Yo, I remember the year was 2011, November 15 or 16, a few days after my birthday. I go river with 2 females and my best friend at the time. And everybody can swim except me. And they can swim a little bit. So we are race, me and the 2 females in my race. And everybody else swim and me a lead. So till me just couldn't go no further. I want a river, but the river making I want pool like. And me I say help, and then if he say I jump me I make. I'm a brethren jump in the water and I try to save me to rotted, and him say media bring him down. And the dog ease me off of him. And I left me out if he dead. Oh my God. Thank God for the owner of the place. I sink because me I remember. I said to myself, so remember everything I say, I now get to meet my daughter. My daughter born the following month. And I say, oh, I just celebrate my birthday. Just celebrate my son. First birthday. And at that, I don't know about nobody else, but before me almost dead or when I was about to die, I was reflecting on my son and the fact say, I now get to meet my daughter. Joining, it's painful because you know say you go. You know see I go start.
Me no go on my bed go dream about boy. That me I tell you, say me no care whether father or not, me no dream boy. And 5 times 3 nights I dream girl.
You know, shoot at me, you know. When that humbug class started coming, you know, man. You know, shoot at me, you know.
That's why man like you cause you're cute.
Man like me because.
No man not like me cause me ugly and rough.
Which man tell us what they like? Come on and find a man there.
Nobody make me tell you man, I
Can't
see
brother.
one where you tell me say like you.
Let them fuck you know, man. My father like my brother.
Never tell me
My father, brother.
Father, brother.
And bring me come my brother.
You just tell me about a man
Love
we
my father.
love you. You just tell me about a man we love you.
Go and talk more about what's my white father come and you find you. I want to say you sure.
Yes. Another Bawdacat video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys had a laugh, because I sure did had a laugh. One thing with Bawdacat, or two things with Bawdacat, or three things with Bawdacat, or four things. A man full of joke. A man a real comedian. He has an answer for every question. A man is a comedic genius in my opinion. Right now he's the best at what he does, and that's telling stories and giving jokes. Yeah man, and sometimes he chip in with some reality chat and some reality check. But anyways, I'm hoping you guys like the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe and click the notification bells, and share with your dirty nasty foot ex. Stay safe, stay blessed.
Listen how this so.
Yeah.
How much family would have come together now and make your room for living in? All of them come together and make the grave for your bury.
Yeah.
I want to spend the last
Check your level.
Yeah.